Good morning. Well, it'll be afternoon when you watch this. This is the Unit 10 post-test. So I'm going to read all 12 words. Feel free to go back and re-watch this if you need to hear a word or the word used in a sentence however many times you want. When you are done taking the test, please take a picture and submit it to the Unit 10 post-test assignment in Google Classroom. Okay? All right. Number 1, credit. The girl wants to receive credit for her art class. Number 2, exact. The architect made sure that his design included exact measures. Number 3, examine. The doctor will examine his patient's x-ray before making a diagnosis. Number 4, finish. I want to finish the book I am currently reading before I begin another. Number 5, habit. Elizabeth has made a habit of buying things that she does not need. Number 6, mineral. Some adults balance their diet with vitamin and mineral supplements. Number 7, panic. When John realized he was late for work, he began to panic. Number 8, product. A funny commercial was created to advertise the new product. Number 9, profit. The farmer will make a profit from his good harvest. Number 10, rapid. A rapid current carried our canoe down the river. Number 11, topic. The topic for this year's debate tournament is censorship. And number 12, visit. Melissa will visit her grandparents for 2 weeks over the summer. All right, if you guys need any of those repeated, please rewind, backtrack, and listen to it again, and submit on Google Classroom under Unit 10 post-test by Monday. Thanks.